Ndakubanga ate Mohamed Wamala tubulira embeera nga bweyimiridde mu bitundu bya Fort Portal n'enteekateeka nga bwe ziri ku lw'olunaku olw'enkya. Mohamed Wamala, So TV omwenye ku 3 nkwaniriza.
Yes, nkwaniriza ko nyowe namwe wa Soul TV webali nyo munaffe Justin Birungi Kayembe naffe tuli bitundu bya Fort Portal eno okwongera okutunulira ensonga z'olunaku lw'abakozi olugendo okukwatibwa wano ekabura olunaku olw'enkya era nga omukulembeze w'eggwanga yasubira okubeera omugenyi omukulu. Ebintu bingi bigenda okubeera nga byogerwako tuli wano n'omubaka omukyala owa Fort Portal City omukyala Linda Irene alina amannya amalala netugenda kukozesa ago ga Linda Irene asinga okubeera nga gamanyiddwa. Honorable, you're welcome. Welcome to our news bulletin. It is
Thank
9
you.
p.m. Omonyo Kusatu. Briefly, you're going to tell us what you have for women in Fort Portal. Baza Rutoro Charlie. Feel free okwogera olulimi olunalo yogala okubeera nti onyonyola ensonga z'abakyala tuli vis-a-vis olunaku lw'abakozi naye nga gwe ngombako omukyala wa Fort Portal. Briefly, tubuulire olulabya otya era
kandi ningoza kutangira Salt TV on Fort Portal City okwijja kusobora kujaguza hamwe neitwe ekero kino eky'abakozi na muno abakozi abakazi habuka nomanya mu Uganda okorora population ways abakazi tuli bengi kandi abakazi abakiro bwingi bayinyigire mu mirimo ne bakora tuina abakazi abalimi tuina abakazi abasubuzi tuina abakazi abakora bitongole kandi obutuliyo ntujaguza ekero kino eky'abakazi tuliyo ntujaguza emirimo y'abakazi bakoze na muno mu kukorakoranisa ihanga kandi tuliyo nitwecumitiriza niturora ebizibu by'abakazi bakutangatangana. Nyenda kubaza abakazi abasubuzi abakazi abalimi ebimu habizibu bakutangatangana niko kusanga tebaina sente ezokukozesa capital eyekozesa eyekumara. Government egonze iziremu okugezaho kuyamba abakazi okubasagika through 30% mu PDM hata lona program empyaka izire ya grow ekuja kuba neyamba women entrepreneurs abakazi abasubuzi okubaha sente okukora beitunka government inakorora neteka hamani okora nesera katale market for the products za abakazi zibakora akwa tuina abakazi abaliyo bakora handicrafts tuina abakazi abakulima nekintu ekindi okurora ngo government yasobora kututeraho amakore factories ati nketo nkatoro hano nitwetaga industrial park era sobora kutuyamba to add value habintu ebitukora nukweyongera no kuongeza opportunities za abantu okutunga emirimo so biribimu habintu ebituliyo nitusaba nkaitwe nkabakazi okuliyo ntujaguze kiro ky'abakozi kandi abakazi abakozi okurora ngo bintuke biso kutuyamba okuongeza emigisa y'abantu okutunga emirimo bintuke biso kutuyamba mu productivity okurora kukanyisa ebintu ebitukukora kandi nuko abakazi basobole kutunga entasha y'okumara.
There's a general discouragement, disparity. We grew up in a patriarchal society, most of us. There's that still discouragement from women getting involved in several activities that are being done by men. So what are you doing to bring that parity, to bring about the parity between the female gender and the male gender, generally in Fort Portal City?
Chamananu ngu haliho culture is negative culture is takusagika abakazi betu sazinu en system ya NRM government ekagenda ebintu nkebi nebihaho sazinu mbere tukugenda no sanga abakazi they are able to work women can own land so ebintu byokugamba ngo abakazi tebakya bara kukole mirimo y'abaseja bakagenda nibihwaho bokujja kurora skills abakazi nibakora skills ez'abaseja basokora tuina abakazi abakuvuga tuina abakazi aba engineers bakazi so eki kigenzere nikihwaho kandi nituongera okukuma abakazi okurora ngo emirimo yona nibasogikora bokuba abakazi utaraba tuli bayinge mu namba then tuina kurora enamba egintu gikozesa okura ntukura nisihanga so kali chegere negative eyenyumegi egenze negenda nehwaho kandi muno ningoza nokusima Toro Kingdom abukwana yegereze okuyimikya omukazi abokuba teri kingdom yekugarukiriza omukazi hansi bagereza muno program zabo kurona bakora abakazi kandi na government ya Uganda naye kurakuranisiza abakazi nkyokurwa sazino ni hanu ndumukurasa omukazi mu parliament bitekaba kitasoko bango omukazi asoko ebembera na muno kunsanga habwire nkabuni munisono kwijja kubaza ha TV eki nikimanyisa ngo abakazi obugabe bwaitu bumanyirirwe kandi ntugumizamu okumanyirira obugabe abokuba hali abakazi abandi obugabe bwabo buliyo ni bulubatirirwa mu especially no sanga sazino hakyaloho o domestic cases za domestic violence zikyali nyingi okuroda ntuongera okwegesa, or would call it sensitizing communities on how they can prevent on cases of violence. Nuko tusobole kuroda ngu each and everyone has got an opportunity to participate effectively in the development of this country, and also to be able to support households in improving household income. Atalikulekera only omseja ngunuwe asobole kukora kuletera family nikimanyisa omseja na strained kandi wakuba strained, it affects his health. So if both the woman and the man can come together, they work towards the development of the family, it also develops the country very fast.
As we conclude, the issues of decency at work, there are also still issues of labor laws that are not favoring workers, the relation between the workers, the employers and the employees. What is your take as we conclude, and any concluding remarks as we
when you look at most
up?
of the policies that we have, most of the policies are favoring both men and women.
Okay.
But the only challenge we have are the employers who are not following those policies. So I call upon all employers to ensure that they follow the policies, they observe the rights of the workers, they should protect the workers, and more especially this one also goes to the Ministry of Gender to ensure that they protect more especially the migrant workers who go to the outside world to work in the Arab world, to ensure that migrant workers have been protected, and also to call upon the youth and the parents who send our children there, to these girls, to ensure that these girls who are going, they should be channeled through proper companies, because there are traffickers who are also trafficking these girls, and when they reach there, they find there's nobody to protect them, because sometimes they are not known that they're in the country.
Thank you, Honorable. It's been a pleasure having you this night. Just be able to sort of kufuna kono ombako mchala owa Fort Portal City, ombako mchalo niye. Muna Felinda Irene, amanya amara mugisa ataina kone nyina barongo. Mchala bamwita batya azadde abalongo nalongo bamwita nyina abalongo mu lulimi eno lweno.